So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install free VPN for PC using VPN Gate. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you need to do is get over to your Google Chrome and then search for VPN Gate. Click on this first link and then click on download. Now click on download soft ether VPN client and then you'll see it has automatically started the downloading. Now open this folder and then double click on this application, click on extract all, then click on extract, then double click on this client, then click on next, yes, click on next again, agree the license agreement, then click on next and install it. After installing, you have to double click on VPN Gate public VPN relay servers, and then here you have to connect to any VPN you want. Just double click and then click on connect to the VPN server. Once you do this, click on OK, and as you can see it has been connected. So yeah, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.